We recently made a visit to the Australian Beekeeping Archive Museum, located in Beechworth, Victoria. The museum holds a collection of Australian beekeeping artefacts, journals and books, plus a rare collection on loan from the Victorian Apiarists Association. This display shows how much beehives and M-locks have changed over the years. And this exploded beehive shows you the inner workings. There's a wonderful collection of old honey spinners, including the manual hand-operated honey spinner. The museum also holds a wonderful vintage collection of smokers. The collection shows just how far some beekeepers will go to ensure they have smoke. Here you see an old press, designed for making wax foundation. Private viewings are available, and I'll pop a link in the description. Support Beechworth Honey, a great company.